Namaskar friends, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Yoga and much more. I hope all of you are doing great. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so and inspire your friends and family known fraternity to subscribe as well. Remember to hit the bell icon and select all option out there so that you can get all the notifications of our future videos. Friends, today we'll be speaking about some protocols of doing yoga. In other words, how to do yoga. So here, number one is yoga should be done in empty stomach. Yes, you should not have eaten anything recently while doing yoga. Number two, yoga should be done preferably in the early morning hours or Brahma Muhurta. Although yoga can be done in evening hours, but morning hours is the best. In certain specific cases, due to certain constraints, with able guidances, yoga can be done in other hours of the day as well. So number three is it's always ideal to do a yoga practice after taking a shower, preferably a cold shower. After a shower, you feel fresh, delighted, and when you go for a yoga practice, say a prayer and begin the practice. The number four protocol would be yoga should be done in an environment which is close to fresh nature. In other words, it can be practiced in a lawn, in a garden, in an open environment where greenery is around, bird chirping, breeze, and very natural feeling that helps to, make it more meaningful and mindful. The fifth protocol would be, if at all you need to practice yoga indoors, then please ensure that you keep sufficient number of potted plants inside, which do adequately oxygenate the inside environment. NASA had done a research in the year 1989, I guess, where they list out so many plants which give oxygen in a good quantity. So you can buy few of them and keep in your room while practicing yoga. The sixth protocol, as we already spoke in our earlier videos, is being mindful. Yes, you have to be mindful of your movement of the various body parts while practicing yoga, the momentum of your breath, and how it feels while practicing the asanas. So it is very important to be mindful. The seventh step would be to take an immersive feel of the environment where you practice yoga, the beauties of the nature in and around where you're practicing yoga. For example, you may notice a tiny new leaf coming up, the feeling of it, the small ants playing around, the sunshine coming through the leaves of the tree, then the clouds moving gently, and the playful different small big animals. When you absorb yourself in this serene environment and try to practice yoga, you reach a different level altogether. The number 8 protocol would be, it's always ideal to practice yoga on a mat. It is not advisable to practice yoga on bare ground. The reasons behind this can be discussed later on. In case you do not have a mat at the moment of practice, you may make some other arrangement for practicing. So friends, with this we have come to the end of this video. However, we'll catch you very soon. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give your feedback. Please share your thoughts. And yes, again, if you are yet to subscribe, please do so. Hit the bell icon, press the all button, and inspire your friends and family to be a part of this family, yoga and much more. Namaskar, Dhanyavad.